Hey, it's Alex Meyer with Mother Trucker News. I don't know if a lot of you have seen, but on the I-95 in Virginia, you've seen these digital speed limit signs that have not been on. Well, just announced from VDOT, they just were turned on yesterday. These are variable speed limit signs that pretty much will try to control the flow of traffic. So now you won't get a sign that says 55, 65, 70 anymore. You'll get a sign that will change when they think there will be traffic. Mother truckers, what are your thoughts about this? Do you think this will be helpful, or will people not pay attention to it and it will just get worse? The way it works is the speed limit sign will be able to adjust the speed limit in real time in attempt to reduce congestion and keep travelers safe on the road, it says. So currently, motorists will see these new signs on I-95 northbound in the city of Fredericksburg and in counties of Caroline and Spotsylvania. June 16th, a total of 48 speed limit signs were installed over a 15-mile section between Ladysmith exit 110 and Fredericksburg exit 130, and they're hoping that this will help. The biggest thing about this, if this will help, VDOT says that they're going to put this all over the state, and they hope that other states take this on as well, because they believe that this will solve the problem. What are your thoughts about this, truck drivers? Do you think they just wasted millions of dollars on these digital speed limiters, or do you think that this is something that's going to be actually be helpful to the flow of traffic? Mother truckers, comment down below, because I definitely know on the I-95 when you're going towards the East Coast, it could definitely be scary, and there's been crazy accidents this year. So I do believe that VDOT's trying to do something to fix this problem, but is this the one?
Causes them to drive a little bit more aware, more alert, so that will reduce some of the crashes caused by those sudden stop and go conditions. The crashes on this quarter are high, and we have about 55% of them are rear end crashes. So definitely caused by people not being aware of the slowdowns.